To check if your DisplayPort cable supports 4K at 144Hz, first inspect the physical cable for labels like HBR3 or High Bitrate 3, DP8K or DisplayPort 1.4/2.1, as these certifications guarantee the 36 Gbps bandwidth required for this high-resolution and refresh rate combo. Next, examine the ports on both on your monitor and GPU. While older DP 1.2 ports common on legacy hardware max out at 4K 60Hz, you specifically need DisplayPort 1.4 with DSC display stream compression or DisplayPort 2.1 to hit 14Hz at 4K. If the cable is unlabeled, the most reliable test is to connect it and check your Windows Advanced Display settings. If 144Hz is an option at 4K, the cable is likely lacks the necessary signal integrity or bandwidth.